Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our FTV English version. As US duties on Chinese imports spun higher and higher earlier this year, Derek Wang braced for major disruption. Yeah, with US orders ground to halt, Wang 36, who sells intelligence cookware out of southern China's Guangdong province, looked elsewhere to fill the gap. After finding new buyers in Brazil, Japan, Malaysia, and Cambodia, he learned what he describes as a key lessons. Nothing is more important than the market close to us. Stories like Wang's have played out across China's vast economy where businesses, large and small, scrambled to fill the void after temporary triple-digit duties. And the threat of their return appended Chinese exports to the world's wealthiest market too. The result has been a cop for China's trade juggernaut. Instead of seeing exports falter on lost US business, the world's largest manufacturer has driven them deeper into other markets around the world. Building on the country's global economic footprint and hedges companies made during Trump's first trade war. The resilience gave Beijing confidence in its month-long negotiation with US, which came to a head in October when leaders Donald Trump and Xi Jinping met and agreed to a truce that withholds new tariffs on Chinese goods down to 20%. But the push also puts China on track to eclipse last year's gapping nearly 1 trillion global dollar trade surplus, a balance that irritated governments around the world and sparked Trump's trade war in the first place. Yeah, there were already questions about the sustainability of China's export of bleach before data released last week showed export unexpectedly contracted by just over 1% year on year in October, the first downturn since February. Whether China can maintain its level of exports to the rest of the world and expand back into the US market after the recent truce is a consequential question for the world's second largest economy as it continues to struggle with lackluster demand from its own consumers but doubles down on manufacturing as its economic cornerstone. BNS exclusive report, MTV English, Delhi, Bharat.